I know many people have been requesting for this video. They wanted to know who exactly is the leadership in Umkhonto weSizwe, because we do know that President Jacob Zuma is on the top of the pyramid, and then there's the Secretary General, which is Arthur Zwane, Deputy Secretary General, which is Thulani Shongwe, Treasury General, which is Menzi Magubane, National Chairperson Mokotjo Sibilwane. A simple breakdown of the leadership: we have Arthur Zwane, not to be confused with the soccer player. Arthur Zwane tried to resign from MK, but Jacob Zuma reinstated him because they need him at the party. Then we have the national chairperson, which is Mr. Wilson Mokotjo Sibilwane. What I could manage to find about this man is that during the apartheid era, he was part of COSAS, he was an ANC member, now he's part of MK. Then we have the Deputy Secretary General, which is Thulani Shongwe. I couldn't find much about